Hello and thank you for watching. Typically I don't do unboxing videos, but I got some few samples here from Warbird, and I was so impressed with the packaging I thought I ought to make a video of it and let you guys know that they go the extra mile delivering premium packaging. And what really caught my eye was this easy return slip they put in here. They highlight the returns process, so if you don't like your product, it's dead simple to send back. So let's get into the product here and see what it's all about. So here we have the Warbird glasses. As you can see, this is the Dead Space model with green matte frame and a brown lens. So we open it up, we get a nice case here. Of course, continuing that premium packaging feel. And inside the case, we should be able to find the glasses. So now the case itself looks like it's compatible with Mole, has a plastic clip on there so you can clip it to your belt, some cable keepers and everything else. And inside the box it says contains no single-use plastic, which I do have to contest when I get into here. There is a desiccant pouch which is contained inside a single-use plastic. Otherwise, I suppose the single-use plastic thing does hold true. Now the glasses themselves look exceptional. They have those nice rubberized shields on either side to help prevent light from a scare from leaking behind the lens and clouding your vision. And the frames themselves have a nice rubberized feel to them. They feel very flexible, so I'll be doing a further review on those later. Now let's get into the Bluetooth headset here. As you can see on the box, there's a lot of features here. The few things I want to point out is they're rechargeable with up to 8 hours of operation and a 1.5 hour recharge time, and they're also Bluetooth, so I hope to hook it up to my phone and run my music through it. Same thing here, you get a nice premium carry case. Inside the box you have your user manual and a charging cable, and inside here should be the earmuffs. And there we go. Wow, nice, kind of like a suede or rubberized headband, kind of a grayish blue cup. Oh, and they even have a plug in there, so it looks like you'd be able to plug in, looks like an 1/8 inch jack, so you can play music through that way. Unless it's something else, I'll have to look into the manual and find out. Now I have to say the cup design and shape is pretty basic here, but the print and the color is epic. I really like what they did there with the different shades of gray and blue. The buttons are conveniently located on one side, and on the other side, it looks like you just have your little microphone there, little receiving unit. On the inside of the cups here, they have a very gracious amount of padding in there, and I'm excited to see how comfortable they are for extended use. The case itself has a nice felt interior, nice zipper case, and yeah, so far I'm extremely impressed with these products. I'm going to put them to the test here, and yeah, so go take a look at cedarmillfirearms.com/blog or gearreport.com for those reviews. I'll be putting reviews on both sites. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions or comments, well, there's the comments section. Take it easy.